Welcome
We're going
back.
to shift gears here.
Let's do that. Are you going to do the shifting? Or
Sure.
Let me push the clutch in first.
We have Sue Whittington with us, and you're here to talk about a Andrew Gilpin benefit.
Yes.
Tell me about this. I don't know. I'm not familiar
Okay.
with it, so.
Well, I'm with the Cotter-Gassville Rural Fire Protection District and Volunteer Fire Department. And Andrew is a 33-year-old young man who lives in Gassville, and his father and mother own Dave's Auction. And for many, many years, long as I can remember, Dave has unselfishly given to both Cotter Fire Department and Cotter-Gassville Rural, doing auctions and fundraisers so we could buy things like extrication equipment and AEDs and things. And Andrew, at 33 years old, is with no health insurance, was diagnosed with thyroid cancer, very advanced. They've already had one surgery where they've taken most of his breastplate, a couple of ribs out, and now his arm is in a sling, and his arm bone and shoulder is all metastasized with cancer. And they're not even sure what they're going to do, whether they're going to try to put cadaver bones in or something, but he's got another surgery coming up in January. And Dave has always given very unselfishly to us, and we decided we wanted to give back to them and try to help them out. They've got a lot of unexpected expenses and a lot of emotional stress, so we just thought, actually 3 of our guys are on the fire, went to school that are on our fire department with Andrew, and that was going to be our Christmas party night, and they suggested that we actually just do the fundraiser for Andrew. And so we're doing that at the Cotter VFW.
Okay.
And that's Saturday night, the 15th, at 5 o'clock. We're going to have a chili dinner, and we'll have some raffles. We're going to raffle off. This is a purse that someone donated, a Razorbacks purse, and we've got a couple turkeys, ham, different things we're going to raffle off as additional fundraisers for the evening.
Wow. Well, I'm sorry to hear the story. That's
Yeah,
sad, but and obviously it hits home with the fellas that went to school with him.
Oh yeah, and as I said, Dave's just helped all of us tremendously over the years, and it's an important thing. For anybody that can't attend, we set up a bank account for Andrew at First Integrity Bank, and people can make donations to that also.
And is that in Cotter as well?
It's in Gassville.
Okay.
And Mountain Home and Flippin. So.
Actually, that's coming up this weekend, right?
Yes, this
on
Saturday evening.
Are there? Would you plead to maybe get more items at the last minute?
Actually, I think we're pretty well set with that.
Okay.
Our local merchants have been very generous with some things, and we're pretty good to go at that point.
Good.
So, it's there's only so many we can do in an evening, and I think we could get as many as we wanted. People have known this family for a long time. They're local, grew up in this area, and so the response has been good, and we hope the response that evening will be good.
But certainly, you mentioned the bank, and that would be a good way to help financially.
Right. Yeah. If you can't go or you don't like chili or something, you can always make a donation to First Integrity Bank, and that account's all set up and ready to go.
Now, this is on the 15th, and did you mention the time?
5 o'clock.
Okay.
And as I said, at the Cotter VFW, we are going to have live music. Rio, who's a local trio, very, very good, very good music, and they've donated their services for that night.
Well, that's good.
Again, the community stepping out and giving.
Yeah. Rio actually also donates their services for our pork barbecue that we have in the spring, so they've always been real supportive of the things that we do.
They just come because they can eat free.
Well, they play for a long time to get that free, chili or pork, whatever.
Yeah, musicians are great.
Well, I know you appreciate those that are stepping up and helping.
Yeah, we've been very lucky with with the help that we get for fundraisers, and this is an unusual one for us. We haven't done an individual fundraiser like this, but we're hoping that the community will turn out and give their support.
So it's not an auction; it's a raffle.
Yeah, we're just going to do what I call mini raffles. We're going to sell I may hold up this purse for that time, and we'll sell tickets for $1 a piece or 6 for $5, and we'll do that for 10 or 20 minutes and sell as many as we can at that time, and then draw that and go on to whatever else, a turkey or a ham or another gift type thing.
Well, we hope you raise a lot of money. Hope everyone comes out and supports that.
Well, we're hoping that too.
That's what community is all about, is supporting that one person that really is in need.
Yeah. And as I said, this is a very young man, especially
Yeah.
to me, at
Right.
33, and he's really taken back. His attitude has been wonderful. He's just been real positive,
Yeah.
and so
Well, that's
we hope
another
the committee
plus.
will help and support
Yes.
it.
All right.
Again, that's the 15th at 5 at the Cotter VFW.
Yes,
Okay.
Thanks,
Thank
Sue.
you.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
thank you for putting me on.
Well, you're welcome. We're going to take a break, and when we come back, we'll be talking with Lynn Crow. Stay with us.